Okay, apparently he doesn't want to leave. Perhaps he likes the little nest I've given him, which I also found in a tree in my backyard last year. And so now I don't know what to do. The kitties are all inside, so he's safe out here. But, and he was flying all around his cage. So that's why I brought him out, but he doesn't appear to want to leave his nest now. So, I'll sit with him for a few minutes and then I'll put him back in his cage if he doesn't want to fly away. Or, I hopefully will get a picture of him flying away. Are you ready yet? Not yet? Okay. I've brought out his little water dish and his little egg dish. But he still doesn't want to move. I'll sit with him for a while yet. Okay, I think he wants to sleep. I think he likes his new nest. And so he's safe out here. So I'm going to leave him. The kitties are all inside, so he's safe. And I'll check on him later. Say bye. Okay, I decided to move him to an arborvitae because I'm thinking maybe if he's in a tree, maybe he'll fly out of his nest. So we'll try that. I think he might be ready to fly. Are you gonna go? Are you gonna fly? You can do it. Come on, you hear your mommy? You hear your mom? She's probably calling you. I hear something. You hear that? That's your mom. Go fly to your mom. Did it! Good boy! Oh, this is a happy day, fat boy. Good boy. Well, he's flying around. I don't know if you can see in the video, but what is really beautiful is that these other birds are all coming around. It's like they're trying to help him. Probably his siblings, maybe his mom, but they are watching out for him. So I feel like I can go in the house now. I have empty nest syndrome. But yeah, what an adventure today. But I saved a baby bird, so it's all good. I'm happy. and I hope he lives a long life. Bye.